In this video I will get to some towns where you can visit in Tanzania and East Africa, so stay and be together with us. If you want to come and visit Tanzania and East Africa today, you will discover in this video town you can visit. Certainly. Here's a detailed look at key towns and cities you can visit in Tanzania and East Africa, each offering unique experiences and attractions. Tanzania. Dar es Salaam. Overview: Tanzania's largest city and economic hub, situated on the Indian Ocean coast. Attractions: visit the National Museum, the Village Museum, and the bustling Kariakoo Market. Relax on the nearby beaches of Kigamboni or visit the nearby island of Bongoyo. Activities: enjoy a vibrant city life with markets, restaurants, and cultural sites. It's a common entry point for international flights. Arusha. Overview: known as the gateway to northern Tanzania's safari circuit and Kilimanjaro. Attractions: explore the Arusha Cultural Heritage Center, visit the nearby Maasai villages, and enjoy the scenic views of Mount Meru. Activities: base for safaris to Serengeti and Ngorongoro Crater, as well as climbing Kilimanjaro. Arusha also offers local markets and cultural experiences. Moshi. Overview: located near Mount Kilimanjaro, often used as a base for climbing the mountain. Attractions: enjoy views of Kilimanjaro, visit local coffee farms, and explore the nearby Madayuni waterfalls. Activities: climbing Kilimanjaro, day hikes, and cultural tours. The town has a more relaxed vibe compared to larger cities. Zanzibar City, Stone Town. Overview: the historic heart of Zanzibar, known for its narrow streets, historic buildings, and rich cultural heritage. Attractions: explore Stone Town's labyrinthine streets, visit the House of Wonders, and tour the spice markets. Don't miss the Forodani Gardens and the Old Fort. Activities: historical tours, spice tours, and cultural exploration. Stone Town is also a great base for exploring the beautiful beaches of Zanzibar. Dodoma. Overview: Tanzania's political capital, located in the central part of the country. Attractions: visit the Parliament buildings, the Dodoma Cathedral, and the nearby Bahe Swamp. Activities: explore government buildings and enjoy the quieter, less touristy atmosphere compared to Dar es Salaam. Mbeya. Overview: located in southwestern Tanzania, known for its agricultural production and scenic landscapes. Attractions: visit the nearby Kitulo National Park, known for its beautiful floral diversity. Activities: enjoy the picturesque landscapes, explore local markets, and visit the living stone mines. Kenya. Nairobi. Overview: Kenya's capital and largest city, a vibrant and bustling metropolis. Attractions: visit the Nairobi National Park, Giraffe Center, Karen Blixen Museum, and Nairobi Railway Museum. Explore the Maasai Market and enjoy local cuisine. Activities: city tours, wildlife viewing at Nairobi National Park, and cultural experiences. Mombasa. Overview: Kenya's main coastal city, known for its beautiful beaches and rich history. Attractions: visit Fort Jesus, explore the Old Town, and enjoy the beaches at Diani and Nyali. Activities: beach relaxation, historical tours, and exploring the coastal culture. Kisumu. Overview: located on the shores of Lake Victoria, Kenya's third largest city. Attractions: visit the Kisumu Museum, the Hippo Point, and the local markets. Explore the lake's ecosystem and enjoy boat rides. Activities: Lake Victoria excursions, cultural tours, and exploring local communities. Nakuru. Overview: a city in Kenya's Rift Valley, known for Lake Nakuru National Park. Attractions: visit Lake Nakuru National Park, famous for its flamingos and diverse wildlife. Activities: wildlife safaris, bird watching, and exploring the scenic landscapes of the Rift Valley. Uganda. Kampala. Overview: Uganda's capital and largest city, a vibrant hub of culture and commerce. Attractions: visit the Uganda Museum, the Kasubi Tombs, and the vibrant markets. Explore the local dining scene and enjoy city life. Activities: city tours, cultural exploration, and local cuisine. Entebbe. Overview: located on the shores of Lake Victoria, near the international airport. Attractions: explore the Entebbe Botanical Gardens, Uganda Wildlife Education Center, and the nearby islands on Lake Victoria. Activities: Lake Victoria excursions, wildlife encounters, and relaxing by the lake. Mbarara. Overview, located in southwestern Uganda, known for its agricultural significance and proximity to national parks. Attractions, visit the nearby Lake Mburo National Park and enjoy the scenic countryside. Activities, wildlife safaris, hiking, and exploring local markets. Fort Portal. Overview, situated near the Rwenzori Mountains and known for its picturesque landscapes. Attractions, explore the nearby Kibali National Park for chimpanzee trekking and enjoy the stunning scenery of the Rwenzori Mountains. Activities, chimpanzee trekking, hiking, and exploring local communities. Burundi. Bujumbura. Overview, Burundi's former capital, located on the shores of Lake Tanganyika. Attractions, visit the Rusizi National Park, Gitega Museum, and the local markets. Activities, Lake Tanganyika excursions, wildlife viewing, and exploring the local culture. Gitega. Overview, the current political capital of Burundi. Attractions, explore the National Museum.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Whether you're here for the first time or you're one of my loyal subscribers, I'm so glad you've joined me today. This channel is all about insert your niche or focus area, where we dive deep into specific topics or content you cover. I'm passionate about bringing you content that's not just informative, but also engaging and inspiring. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exciting videos I have planned. We're building an incredible community here, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. For my returning viewers, thank you for your ongoing support. You're the reason I keep creating and pushing boundaries. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's video. I promise you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Are you looking for entertaining and educational content to watch? Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for a variety of interesting videos on topics you love. Join our growing community and never miss out on new uploads. Hit the subscribe button now. Discover new ways to learn and be entertained by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Engage with like-minded viewers and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't miss out, click the subscribe button and be part of our exciting YouTube community.